Hey productivity enthusiasts, want to upgrade your workspace in 2025? From smart lighting to virtual keyboards and dual monitors, these Amazon Office gadgets are designed to boost efficiency and make work feel effortless. Let's dive in. Kicking things off with the BenQ ScreenBar Halo LED monitor light, this gadget is a game changer for anyone staring at screens all day. It attaches neatly to your monitor and eliminates glare while lighting up your desk. You get adjustable brightness and color temperature via a wireless controller, so whether you're working late or catching early morning emails, your eyes won't feel strained. It's USB powered, so no bulky adapters cluttering your desk. I tested it over long work sessions, and honestly, my eyes were way less fatigued. Want to save your eyes while looking cool? Grab the BenQ ScreenBar Halo via the description. Next up is the SMISEACOW laptop screen extender, perfect for multitaskers. This 15.6-inch portable monitor plugs into your laptop via Type-C, and it's fully plug-and-play on Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome, and even PS5. The IPS FHD display is sharp, bright, and perfect for spreadsheets, code, or design work. It comes with an adjustable kickstand, so you can set it at the perfect angle whether sitting at a cafe or your home desk. I ran a real-world test by opening multiple apps and drag-dropping content between screens. It's like having a mini dual monitor setup anywhere. Want double the screen? Double the productivity? Check the SMISEACOW portable monitor link in the description. Now, for those who like to mix sitting and standing while working, the VIVO Electric 60x30 standing desk is a must. It's a memory height adjustable desk, so you can save multiple height presets and switch positions with just a button. The black tabletop and frame are sleek and sturdy, and the 1B series motor lifts smoothly without noise. I tried it with my full dual monitor setup plus keyboard and mouse, and it handled the weight effortlessly. Standing up while working significantly boosted my focus and energy during long sessions. Ready to ditch the chair and feel productive? Grab the VIVO standing desk from the description. Next, let's talk about something that's straight out of a sci-fi movie, the MOJO Bluetooth laser projection keyboard. It projects a full-size virtual keyboard onto any flat surface and connects via Bluetooth. Typing accuracy is surprisingly good, and it's super portable, perfect for travel or minimalist setups. I tested it on a smooth desk and even on my coffee table, and the responsiveness was impressive, perfect for quick emails or editing on the go. Bonus, it works with phones, tablets, and computers. Want to impress your coworkers and type anywhere? Check the MOJO laser keyboard in the description. Finally, if you're into streamlining workflows or boosting efficiency with shortcuts, the Elgato Deck MK.2 is a powerhouse. It has 15 fully programmable macro keys, letting you trigger actions in apps like OBS, Twitch, YouTube Studio, Photoshop, or even Excel. The keys are customizable with icons, so you know exactly what each does, and the tactile feedback is satisfying. I set mine up for video editing, shortcuts, and quick app launches, and it literally cut my workflow time in half. Works on Mac and PC, making it extremely versatile. Want to automate tasks and become a workflow ninja? Grab the Elgato Deck MK.2 via the description link. So that's a wrap on the best Amazon Office gadgets for 2025. From eye care lighting and dual screens to standing desks and futuristic keyboards, these tools will supercharge your productivity. Check the description for all the links.